What's up guys, More Medic One, and today I am going to show you how to change an edger blade, whether it be an Echo or a steel, and whether it be a curved shaft or a straight shaft. I had a really nice lady contact me via email, and she was like, I'm beside myself. I do not or can't figure out how to get my blades off of my edger. Now this can morph over into electric edgers. It can pretty much any edger out there. This procedure is pretty much all the same. In my experience, these Echoes that have this style of attaching nut, there's a bunch of dirt and debris that will get packed in behind right here, and if you don't clean this out with a little pocket screwdriver, your socket will not go up in there to get the nut off. On an Echo, it's 17 millimeter. Right behind this blade is going to be a blade hub with a notch in it, and what you want to do, you want to rotate this around until you can see that hole right there, and then you take the tool that came with your edger and stick it down in that hole and to mate with that slot right there. Now you can use anything for the tool. I'm just going to use an Allen wrench. I'm going to go right down in there, just like that. Now we're going to take our 17 millimeter and we are going to righty-loosey. Sometimes you can just take it and bump it, but you just need something to break it loose with. And once you get that nut loosened, you can take your little tool out and just kind of hold everything and spin that nut right off. Make sure your surface is good and clean here. Clean out all the debris here. Now if you look right here, there's a little hole in the end of this shaft. There's a little cotter key that's supposed to go in there. I don't understand the logic behind this cotter key, because the first 5 minutes of using it, that thing just breaks off and no telling where it's going. In my honest professional opinion, this little cotter key is useless. But if you want to put one in there, you can. I have no quarrels about that. So let's go ahead and reinstall the blade. There's nothing special about the blade. It'll go this way or this way. It's unidirectional. It doesn't matter. But just get your blade set on the blade hub there. Reinstall the retainer, and then reinstall the nut. Finger tighten it with your 17. Find your tool again. Right there. Get your ratchet, and then we're going to lefty tighty. And you don't have to just very tight it, just get it snug. That's all there is to it. Ooh-wee, it's the hottest day of the year so far. It's 102 here in Dallas, Texas. But anyway, guys, hey, if this helped you out, please give me a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. And while you're there, click the bell to get all my new videos. I hope this helped some of you out. And well, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.